Hello everyone, my name is S.P. Chaudhary. I live in Canada and Dubai. This is my daughter. She's 20 years of age and her name is Riza Chaudhary. When she was 19, a year back, in March of last year, she was diagnosed with a brain tumor called anaplastic astrocytoma. This is a very dangerous tumor and the doctors had not much hope for her. And they immediately did a surgery, as well as there was not, her tumor could not be removed through a surgery because in the deepest region. Beyond that, they did chemo and radiation, and her tumor was somehow contained, but in January this year, the tumor started growing. And the results of the last MRI was very depressing, and the doctors had put her on a new chemotherapy. We were hoping that the next MRI, which is on 15th of April, would show some difference. In the meanwhile, during our visit to the doctors in March, we met a gentleman called Mr. Usman, who was in the same tumor center, and he had been cured by a miracle healer called Peer Usman, and he gave me the number of Peer Usman and also told us to call him. We called him in Pakistan, and he immediately told us that she will be completely cured, and we should actually meet Mr. Dilshad Bhatti in Canada and start a process of dum. This dum, we were asked to carry a bottle of olive oil and a bottle of water for being blessed, as well as if she would have to get dum, which is basically hot olive oil being massaged on her back of the neck, as well as her midriff and her belly. This process we have done for the last 7 times, 7 weekends, and it has to be done for a total of 24 times according to Peer Sahib. Once we went back to Dubai, we had Mr. Zahid Bhai, who also did the same thing for us. This is an amazing team. They're so nice and they're so dedicated. We were very, very impressed. Beyond that, there was no money involved, which is another criteria or factor, where we built huge faith in this system. We had to just go and give $5 donation to our mandir or our place of worship, and there was nothing, no more commercial involvement in this. Peer Sahib himself came to Canada just before her next MRI, which was on April 15, and to our amazement, when we went to the doctors on 18th of April, Riza's new tumors which had appeared in January MRI has completely disappeared. There is no trace of the new tumor. The original tumor has reduced in size. This was so surprising because just before we went for the MRI, Peer Sahib gave us this assurance himself that the results will be better than expected. I would like to request all people around who are suffering from serious disease, incurable disease, to contact Peer Sahib and his associates across the world. They are spread around the world. They are very dedicated team to take advantage of this. Allah has given us this blessing to make use of an opportunity to heal through this medium. Please take this opportunity and make the best of it. Thank you very much.